Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Hux World, and today we got a bad watch face that's free for the taking in the Good Manager store. Hold up, let me rephrase that. A watch face that may or may not still be free in the Good Manager store, because remember, I've been batch recording because of the weekend and Mother's Day that's coming up. So listen, it's still worthy of a check to see if this watch face is still free. If it is, hit me in the comment section down below and let me know. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. The name of the watch face is called AXXO Enforcer. Now, I like and love a nice looking analog watch face, and this one here is one. I like the design, I like the look, I like the uniqueness of this watch face. It definitely stands out on the wrist. Now, in the AOD mode, the theme is going to change a little bit. You're still going to get that analog look, and it's going to look decent in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, my man got super creative with this watch face. Now, if you look over to the right, my man gives you your date info, the day of the week, you get your digital time, so you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get your heart rate information, and what's most important to most people, you get your step info in that window as well. Now, over to the left, what you're going to get is your seconds. Your seconds are over there, and what I like about this one is if you look right here, that's going to give you your battery info as well. Look down here, that's going to give you your step status, your goal completed info. And overall, for analog watch face, this is definitely a nice, bold look coming from this developer. Now, you can set shortcuts, or what I call favorites, in 3 different places. Got one right here, and then the last one is going to be on this side as well. Now, I like this rich look. This video isn't going to do it justice. You got to check this out for yourself. But if you double tap in the center, you can change the color theme of the watch face to many. And I do mean many different colors. I'm loving it. Now, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if you're going to go download this one ASAP. Now, this black looks beautiful in person. You got to check this out for yourself. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Tell your mom I said happy Mother's Day. If your mom is still living, for the rest of you all, my condolences to you all. If you don't have your mom, I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever anyway. And with that, hit me in the comment section down below. Hit the like button on the way out. And also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And by all means, people, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.